In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Lovable AI subscription, step by step. If you're ready to stop being billed or simply move back to the free plan, I'll walk you through the exact screens so you know what to expect. Open your browser and head to lovable.dev. Make sure you're signed into the correct workspace so the right subscription is shown. Once you're on your dashboard, we'll head straight to the account controls. Look to the top left corner and click Settings. It may appear as a gear icon and it opens the Workspace Settings panel. This is where Lovable keeps all plan, credit, and billing options in one place, so you don't have to dig around across multiple pages. Inside Settings, select the Plans and Credits tab. Here you can see your current plan, any available credits, and usage details. It's helpful to glance over this section for a moment so you're clear on what you're changing and whether you have remaining credits that might be affected by a downgrade. Next, go to the billing area and click Manage. This button takes you into the billing portal where plan changes are made. Depending on your setup, it may open in a new tab or within the same page. Give it a moment to load. It will show your active subscription details, renewal date, and payment method. In the billing portal, look for the option labeled Downgrade to Free. On some accounts, you may see it labeled as Cancel Subscription instead. Both options serve the same purpose here. They stop your paid plan and move you to the free tier while keeping your workspace intact. Before you proceed, scan any notes about when the change takes effect. Many subscriptions remain active until the end of the current billing period, so you'll retain paid features until that date, and then your workspace will switch to free. When you're ready, click Downgrade, confirm any prompt that appears, and then click Done. You should see a confirmation message, and Lovable may also send a confirmation email for your records. That's it. Your paid subscription is canceled, and you'll move to the free plan on the timeline shown in the confirmation. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. After downgrading, revisit the billing section to confirm the next renewal date shows no upcoming charge. If you don't see the downgrade option, you might already be on the free plan, and if you need past invoices, download them from the billing portal before you close the page. Congratulations. You've successfully canceled your Lovable AI subscription.